machine will be the container, not a machine in a container. So it's going to be a unique transportable design that stacks high, ships safely and moves easy between sites, improving safety and significantly reducing handling risks.
What did you think of the new products that we had unveiled, the ModaLine?
I'm excited about the new ModaLine. I think there's some real opportunities there for a plant that can move in and out quickly and do remote job sites and
Even the reduced shipping cost, everything like that, it all adds up.
Absolutely, yeah. The simplicity of installing I think that's going to really be a nice product for us.
Yeah.
We're excited about it.
Definitely, I'm excited.